Have you ever wanted to install Android on your MacBook? Anyone? Anything? Okay, probably not. But I'm gonna do it anyways. Gonna install Android 9 x86 on this MacBook, I guess. Let's put the USB in. Oh, let's charge the MacBook first because, well, it has really bad battery life. Okay, connected. And now reboot time, I guess. Restart. Okay, I restart. Alt. Yep, EFI boot. Yep, installation. I wanna install to that unknown. Okay. ext4 is for Android, I think. Yes. Okay, format. Oh yes, I'm in. Okay, I start. Okay, connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, see, I have no idea what this weird Wi-Fi is. Oh, Wi-Fi doesn't work anyways. So what if I connect the Ethernet cable? Hope this works. Okay. Now the Ethernet is in. Let's just skip this. Okay, it's connected on the Ethernet probably. Now it's checking for updates. Nope, don't copy. And now Google account. Let's just log in with my main one because why not? Okay, anyways, I had to skip the login because it was always crashing. Okay, the time is not correct. It's 8 AM. I'm gonna check if it's true. Okay, no, it's 9. I thought it's still 8. Okay, so it was right. Wait, 9 already? I didn't know. Okay, accept, yeah. Tablet? It thinks it's a tablet, yeah. Not now. Yep, skip. What? Which one should I? Let's do just once to see if it's right. Okay, now I want to change that quicks. Oh, and now the touch. I'm not touch bar. Taskbar is there. Yeah, quick step. Yep, this is the default one. So here I have Android. Let's see if I'm actually on the Wi-Fi because I don't think so. Settings. Network. Okay, so that it's on VRT Wi-Fi. That doesn't work. But I hope the Ethernet works. Okay, system. Advanced. And if it's on Android 9. Okay, why did I go out now? What? Okay, I don't think this is right. What is this? Let's go to the Google Chrome. Okay, yeah, accept, no. It looks just like Android. Let's try YouTube. Okay, so VRT Wi-Fi indeed is legit network that works. Maybe this is Ethernet. Let's search me. Okay, so Ethernet locally works. Okay, so now when the internet works, let's try downloading some apps. Okay, have to sign in first. Okay, that thing still has the old Play Store, so let's try downloading some apps like Roblox. Okay, it just crashed. Okay, maybe it's updating because, well, I ordered to update. Okay, or maybe it didn't. But the icons are different. If this won't work, I'll just do APKs. Okay. So let's go there. Roblox APK. Okay, it says it's installed, so open. Oh. Okay, it just keeps crashing. What about calendar? Okay, this is the old version I see by the icon. Okay, there's no camera app. What about terminal emulator? Okay, it's just this. Okay, so Roblox keeps crashing. Yeah. I mean, Google at least works. Okay, YouTube loads. My things just keep crashing. What about Gmail? Yeah, Gmail works, as I can see. And how do I shut down now? Maybe click the power button. Okay, so it's not like on Android devices. Hold the power button and the menu shows up. It's probably something else. The flashlight doesn't work. The screen brightness surprisingly works. What about the keyboard buttons? Oh, surprisingly works. Works really good. It even now says MacBook Pro. Okay, how do I turn off? Maybe just hold the button and force shutdown. Okay, bye.